guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a Zepeto content creator and can't afford Zem items, it feels like Valentine's Day without a partner. So today I'm gonna show you how did I get 100 Zems in Zepeto. Don't skip watch till end. For me, this is the ultimate free way to acquire Zems. Go to the Zepeto World section and open the Jump Master World. Here I'm in the Jump Master lobby. Let's take a look at the equipments that can help you. I used to wear this flame shoes for speed, but I'll recommend you to use the wing shoes cause this game name is Jump Master. That means the more you're good at jumping, the more pro you are. Always try to level up your equipment by jump coins that you will get by playing levels little by little.
Give me some coin item, I will promote you on my video, and I will tell my friend to follow your accounts. This is so good for you guys. If you give me some, and I will promote you by friends. I am a promoter. If you give me something,
As you can see, I got a Zem in first try. Oh, check this special Jump Master level. In this level, besides winning, there's another chance where you can get a Zem. You can see there is a treasure chest there. If you are on this level, then don't skip it, because there is high chance of getting Zems there. Or if not, you will get a Jump Master skin. Unfortunately, I got Jump Master skin. So beyond this level, we have 2 more chances to grab Zem, and the first one is this awesome Jump Master Hell game that I play all the time when I get a chance. For this level, if you manage to land in first place, you'll score a cool 100 Zems. Okay, so the person who ranked on first place has played more than 500 levels. Alright, you definitely need to play more than that to rank first. Don't stress. The time resets here and just focus on ranking 1 to 100 to get Zems. I hope you all understand the jump master hell. Now let's take you to the training room. So basically, if you want to get them in training room, you have to fulfill some tasks in specific time. Honestly, I don't play it as much. I play Jump Master or the Hell one, so I won't be good at it. Yeah, so never mind. A friendly tips. I know you all may be busy or don't have time, but try to get 3 or at least 1 Zem every day whenever you get time to play. Be patient and try to be expert in jumping. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope this was a helpful tutorial for you all. Share this to your Zepeto friends, comment your opinions, like and subscribe for more updates. See you later.